my channel, because if a yamo, Walaka regalo sa Pasco.
Ajun TV is the greatest basketball show in the world. Say about Taylor Swift. Ajun TV is the greatest basketball show in the world. Say about Taylor Swift.
Rain or shine took care of business against Blackwater on Saturday, but played without 3 players, including rookie Keith Datu, whose unexplained sickness baffles coach Yang Yao. After making his debut against Meralco, the number 4 pick in the last PBA rookie draft has yet to play again, initially owing to what the team said was high uric acid.
So practice okay namin siya, pro pack dating in-game day, nagkakasakit siya, said Gio. Tatlong beses na kaming naganan. Sa tinagal-tagal ko sa basketball wala pa akong nakita na ganon. No pag practice okay ka, pro pag game, no nagkakasakit ka. Pinapatawas no ang naman. Baka may cumuculum sa kanya, he said.
Do you think may cumuculum kay Keith Datu? Shout out to Jessica Soho, Ed Caluwag, Undertaker, Harry Potter, Harley Quinn.